everyone, this is Silveria from Indian Trails Library Branch. Welcome to our December Family Craft Friday. Today I will be teaching you how to make a holiday ornament. The material we'll be using is a circle cutout, fabric, cord, and extra materials to decorate. To complete the project, you will need a glue gun, hot glue sticks, and Elmer's glue. Once you finish, this is how your ornament will look. Let's begin. Our first step, we're gonna be gluing the fabric to the circle, and then we're gonna cut the edges of the fabric all around the circle. The cord around the circle. We're gonna make 3 rounds around the circle. We're gonna glue the ribbon around the edges of the circle. For your centerpiece, you're gonna have one of 6 different options in your bag, and they had a glue dot on the back to glue it to your ornament. To make it stronger, you can put like a hot glue, and that way it helps you to hold it better. Now we're gonna decorate our ornament with pine cones, and we had different berries. You're gonna get one of these options in your bag. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We hope we'll see you in a future videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.